Hey guys, so welcome back to DelveStack. Today, I will be showing you how to add extensions to Brave browser. So, the first thing that you will do, guys, is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your Brave browser. So you could do that by just simply going to the three lines on the top right corner over here. And now, once you are here, guys, you just simply go ahead and go to the settings right over here on the gear icon. Now, once you are here on the Brave settings, you should be able to see here extensions on the left side of the screen. So just simply go ahead and select extensions. Now here on the extension, make sure to allow Google login for extension as well over here so you won't have any issue. And to get some extensions, go ahead and select get more extensions down below over here. And it will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. And pretty much over here, you could utilize the search bar in order for you to search for the specific extension that you want. And you will have here multiple categories as well that you might want to consider. And once you have selected your extension, go ahead and click on it. And you will have an option add to Brave over here. And you could just simply go ahead and grant permission by selecting add extension over here. And once you have added the extension, automatically it will download as you can see on the top right corner. And now once you have done that, you should be able to automatically have the extension icon over here, and you should be able to have the extension that you have. And you could also manage your extensions over here that you might want to consider. And pretty much if you want to go more on details, click on details. You should be able to filter it out over here as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.